Welcome to the Inventis Harp tutorial video series. I'm Nicole and I will guide you through the features and use of our diagnostic audiometer. On Harp there are several supra threshold exams which include ABLB, CC, DLI, Stenger and a 2-channel master hearing aid. Optionally available, there are also dedicated screens for the 10 test and the quick scene, where noise and speech material are preloaded on the Harp internal flash memory. During this video, we will have a look at how simple it is to carry out any of our tests.
The 10 test can be used to assist the detection of a dead region in the cochlea. The test involves measuring the threshold for detecting a pure tone presented in a background noise called threshold equalizing noise, which must be set at least 10 dB above the HL unmasked threshold. If the obtained masked threshold is 10 dB or more above that of both the unmasked and the 10 noise, the cochlea is considered dead at that frequency. On Harp, the 10 test has its dedicated screen and the noise signal is loaded on the device internal flash memory. The quick SIN test is a speech in noise exam which provides a quick estimate of the signal to noise ratio loss. Each list of the quick SIN speech material includes 6 sentences with 5 keywords per sentence recorded in 4 talker babble with different signal to noise ratios. SNR loss can be estimated scoring the 5 keywords in each sentence, giving 1 point to each word repeated correctly. The quick SIN sentences are loaded in the flash memory of the audiometer. The ABLB test is a procedure for determining the presence of recruitment in cases of unilateral hearing loss. The test involves presenting a tone to the 2 ears alternately at the same frequency but at different intensity. The aim is to present a stimulus to the good ear and to find the corresponding level of stimuli presented to the poor ear that is perceived as being of the same loudness. The pairs of values obtained in this way go to make up a loudness balance graph. The CC test assesses the ability of the ear to identify brief variations of intensity in a continuous pure tone. The test is conducted by presenting a tone at different frequencies, selecting an intensity 20 dB above the hearing threshold. Starting the exam, a sequence of 20 intensity increments will be presented to the patient and the responses counted. The amplitude of the increments can be set to either 1 dB or 5 dB. Increments of 1 dB should be imperceptible, or it could be an indication of cochlear disorder. The Stenger test can be used to establish whether or not a measured hearing threshold is genuine. It is based on the Stenger effect, which states that if a sound is presented to both ears at a single frequency, but simultaneously at different intensities, it will be heard only by the ear exposed to the higher intensity. The master hearing aid test can be used to assist the selection of hearing aid for patients with impaired hearing. With the master hearing aid test, the audiometer can simulate the use of a hearing aid by filtering the speech signal sent to the patient, making possible the verification of any improvement in speech recognition. Various different filters can be selected and activated independently for each channel.